Today's DK Minute's something that's near and dear to my heart, KIZOMBA. I was so very happy to see KIZOMBA becoming popular recently, or within the last, say, 10 years or so. It's actually been around for quite a long time in the Samba family of dances. I've been dancing it since, well, never mind. But anyway, KIZOMBA is an awful lot of fun. We're going to do some very basics today and some more in another DK Minute. Today, most of you have been exposed to KIZOMBA by watching it on the web or video lessons of that sort. And what you see is it danced very sensuously, very closely, with the bodies very closely together, a lot of rolling motion, a lot of dipping and undulates, a lot of back bends, and the girls with a lot of sways and body rolls. This was not the beginning of KIZOMBA. KIZOMBA was a basic street dance, a party dance. Now, yes, it can be danced very sensuously, like that, pretty much like bachata is danced sensuously in that form. But the regular bachata or the regular KIZOMBA is not. It's danced pretty much like every other dance, either in an open embrace or a closed embrace, but not necessarily with all of the sensuous body rolling that you see going on in many of the videos. What you do want to do is create a nice, what we would consider to be Latin body movement, contraction roll in the core, figure 8 in the hips, and all of this body movement can be found in the DK Minute called toe, ankle, knee, hip. If you want to develop really good body movement for KIZOMBA, please go see that video. A couple of the basic movements in KIZOMBA would be the time step itself. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You want to notice that the body moves first. The body moves and the foot follows. 1. Body moves, foot follows. 2. Body moves, 1. Body moves, foot follows, 2. I'm never going to dance like this, where the foot moved first and then the body came after. Body move, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. To take a forward walk in this dance, I maintain that same action as we move forward and back. If we were to put those two movements together, the side movement and the forward and back walk, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so a little bit of the basic step, the basic time step, and the basic movement.